Alrighty, this video right here will teach you how to read from a file and output the information to the user in a string. Just the basics, really, nothing complicated. Alrighty, first thing you want to do is you want to create a file instance. So we're just going to create the file instance. And you could just follow along with me, just type with your computer. So we're going to create, the file we're reading from is called deposits.txt. If you were to create a program where you're supposed to ask the user for what file to read from, it'd be better if you use a print statement and then you just add the .txt to whatever the user inputs, and then you throw that variable name into this right here, and then it could still create the file that way. But that would be for another video, or you could just Yahoo IM me, or I'll just answer any questions you have. Just post comments, I'll answer those questions. Anyway, so next thing we want to do, we're going to use a try, and we're going to create a scanner called input. New scanner. I'm sorry, that was my phone, that sound. And basically what we're going to do is, don't forget to import your scanner. We're going to create a catch loop. Now we're going to create a while loop. So while input dot has next, and what this does is it tells the program that while the file still has a next line to do whatever you operate. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a string called num, and we're going to put the input that we get into that string. So all it does is grabs the line, and then we're just gonna output whatever it is. You have to make sure that the file you're reading from is in the same location as your Java, otherwise it'll throw an exception error. So we're just gonna create a text file called deposits here, and we're just gonna add some random information to it. 200, 3,300, homework Java, hey YouTube. Then we're just gonna save this. Alrighty, and after you save that, we're just gonna go here and we're gonna create a catch loop. And what the catch loop does is, if the file is not found, it throws this error. Instead of throwing a big logic error, it just throws a simple error that you create. So, gonna create that catch. File not found exception. Or you could just create a simple exception, but the only thing with that is it gets confused sometimes, so it's better if you specify what type of exception you're trying to throw. Then we just add the import, and we're gonna throw an error, system.error format, and what it does is just really just formats the error that you're outputting. File does not exist. We're just gonna do that. Get rid of this right here. And now we're just gonna run our program and see how it runs, see if it runs properly. Let me drag my output out here for you. See if it runs. As you can see, it read the file. So that's how you read from a file and output the result. Very simple. Now in my next video, I'll probably make a video to show how to ask the user for the name of the file and how to output it. But till then, I'll see you later. Be sure to add me on Yahoo. That's my Yahoo IM, my Skype, and visit my site, javacoder.webs.com. I'll see you later.